Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Webull Desktop on your Windows laptop or PC. If you want a powerful platform to trade stocks, ETFs, or options, with advanced charts and real-time market data, Webull is definitely a great choice. So let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type www.webull.com and press enter to go to the official website. Once the site loads, go to the top menu and hover over Trading and Investing. From the drop-down menu, click on Desktop App. This will take you directly to the download page, and just to make things easier, I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Now on this page, click on the Download for Windows button. The setup file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Webull setup file. If a security pop-up appears asking for permission, just click Yes. The installation window will now open. Select the installation folder and click Next. Click Next again. Finally, click on Install and wait a few seconds while Webull is being installed on your PC. Once it's done, click Finish. Webull should open automatically, but if it doesn't, you can launch it from your desktop or the Start menu. And that's it. Webull Desktop is now successfully installed on your Windows computer. You can now sign in or create a new account, explore the interface, analyze charts, and start trading directly from your PC. Quick tip: before you start trading, take a few minutes to explore the platform and get familiar with the tools. It'll make a big difference. And that's it for this video. Hope it made things easier for you. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.